Indonesia's manufacturing industry is a key driver of the country's economy, contributing to the nation's GDP, making it one of the largest manufacturing sectors in Southeast Asia. The government has been actively promoting industrial growth through policies which aim to boost competitiveness through automations, digitalizations, and sustainability. As a strategic initiative by the Ministry of Industry, PIDI 4.0 was established as a one-stop facility to drive technology adoptions and accelerate digital transformations in Indonesia's manufacturing sector. By combining a technology showcase, a capability development center, and collaborations among the government, industry, and solution providers, PIDI 4.0 serves as the backbone in realizing the Making Indonesia 4.0 vision.
Pemerintah Republik Indonesia terus berupaya mengambil langkah terobosan untuk meningkatkan daya saing industri nasional dan membawa perekonomian Indonesia pada peringkat 10 besar ekonomi dunia pada tahun 2030. Upaya ini salah satunya ditempuh melalui implementasi industri 4.0. Sebagai bentuk pelaksanaannya, Kementerian Perindustrian membangun pusat industri digital Indonesia atau yang lebih dikenal PIDI 4.0. PIDI 4.0 didirikan sebagai bagian dari Badan Pengembangan Sumber Daya Manusia Industri Kementerian Perindustrian dengan visi menjadi solusi satu atap industri 4.0 di Indonesia dan menjadi jendela Indonesia 4.0 untuk dunia. Pusat ini difungsikan sebagai ekosistem inovasi digital dalam penerapan teknologi seperti Internet of Things, kecerdasan buatan, big data, serta solusi lainnya untuk mendukung revolusi industri 4.0 di Indonesia.
Over the years, NEC has brought world-class technologies and localized them through tailored solutions designed to meet the specific needs of the Indonesian market. NEC aims to contribute valuable solutions to support the success of digital transformations in the manufacturing industry and to accelerate the government's Making Indonesia 4.0 initiative.
NEC is implementing our business in Indonesia more than 60 years. Manufacturing sector is one of the most important part of our business in which we'd like to contribute accelerating the digital transformation under Making Indonesia 4.0 policy. So recently, the operation process in the manufacturing segment is highly complex between human and machine. I do believe digital technology is a mandatory factor to solve those complexity and make the process more efficient and create higher productivity.
In support of Making Indonesia 4.0, NEC presents the concept of human-centric digital transformations at its showcase centers in PIDI 4.0, an approach that focuses not only on process efficiency and productivity, but also on empowering industrial human resources as part of a smart, collaborative ecosystem.
Untuk mempercepat adopsi dan pengembangan teknologi 4.0, pemerintah menyadari dibutuhkan sebuah hubungan yang kuat antara pemerintah, pelaku industri, dan penyedia teknologi. Kami menyambut baik hadirnya NEC sebagai salah satu mitra industri PIDI 4.0 yang merupakan bagian dari ekosistem penting ini dalam menciptakan dan mengembangkan industri yang lebih inovatif, kompetitif, dan adaptif terhadap teknologi di era digital ke depannya. Kami harapkan sinergi yang terjalin antara NEC dan PIDI 4.0 dapat menjadi langkah nyata dalam mendorong transformasi digital di Indonesia. Selain itu, kolaborasi dapat pula meningkatkan kesiapan dalam menghadapi tantangan global dan membantu pengembangan SDM industri yang memiliki kecakapan yang selaras dengan transformasi teknologi industri 4.0.
NEC Showcase booth is located on the 6th floor of PIDI 4.0 building, and we are displaying our cutting-edge technology of smart factory solutions. For example, our AI-based system invariant analysis solution can detect very small difference from the normal operation in the system and create the alert before the system is really getting into the serious trouble. Our warehouse management system could provide real-time monitoring on the goods move for an efficient supply chain scheme. Moreover, our work process recognition system could monitor the movement of fingers of workers in the manufacturing line and provide appropriate advice to workers for enhancing their productivity. So we wish to continue collaborating with PIDI 4.0 for accelerating digital transformation in industry of Indonesia together.
As a collaborative ecosystem, PIDI 4.0 also provides a platform for industry partners to collaborate in creating new technologies that supports Industry 4.0 implementation, such as the development of Smartbox for industrial data acquisitions and visualizations by NEC Indonesia and Bogor Tech. The collaboration project combines industrial AI and IoT technology that integrates NEC's system invariant analysis technology, SIET, with Bogor Tech's compact hardware device that transmits sensor and machines data wirelessly to real-time monitoring dashboard.
NEC Indonesia and Bogor Tech combine their expertise to create a more efficient, intelligent, and sustainable digital ecosystem. We are developing an automated production system that utilizes AI and IoT technologies that can analyze sensor data in real time to optimize factory efficiency. Implementing machine learning to improve product quality and detect production defect more accurately. The integration of AI-based predictive maintenance to predict machine failures before they occur will reduce downtime and maintenance costs. We are also implementing digital twins, which allow virtual simulation of production process for more accurate decision making. This collaboration is expected to not only accelerate the implementation of Industry 4.0 in Indonesia, but also increase the competitiveness of local companies on an international scale.
NEC is honored to contribute valuable solutions to support the success of digital transformations in the manufacturing industry and to accelerate the government's Making Indonesia 4.0 initiative through close collaborations with both public and private sectors. NEC Indonesia is committed to building a brighter, safer, and more inclusive future for communities and industries across the nation.